we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Once you're inside, you're going to notice the third row is gone. With Mercedes retaining the same wheelbase of the standard GLS, measuring 123.4 inches, the only way to enable more legroom was to eliminate the rearmost seats. Rear passengers get to enjoy 43.4 inches of legroom and can relax on seats that can be extended. The front passenger seat can be moved forward into what is referred to as a chauffeur position for even more rear legroom, at 4.4 feet. The most luxurious version of the Maybach GLS accommodates only 4 people, but a 5-seat configuration is also available. From folding tables and champagne flutes to a dedicated fragrance and a rear seat entertainment system, the luxobarge has just about every high-end feature you could think of, and then some. Goodies such as ventilated and heated massaging seats and an opaque roller blind come as standard, as does the electronic panoramic sunroof. A refrigerator with space for champagne bottles can be ordered for the 4-seat model if you really want to go all out. Power comes from a twin-turbo V8 4.0-liter engine providing effortless cruising thanks to 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, plus the EQ boost offering an extra 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet for a limited time. Mercedes-Maybach says the US spec GLS 604 does 0 to 60 miles per hour in an estimated 4.8 seconds and tops out at a limited 130 miles per hour, which is more than the owner of such an SUV will ever need. On the other hand, the Euro model can hit 155 miles per hour. It will reach the US market in the second half of next year, with pricing to be announced closer to launch.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.